Denise, your conductor. That's Engineer Joey up front. As you can see, we're getting ready for something fun. So girls, what are we getting ready for? Is it Easter? Christmas? What are we getting ready for? Halloween. So is there anybody on this train who has not been to our pumpkin patch? Anybody? Raise your hands. Okay, that means you all know about our famous pumpkin patch. I say famous because I believe we have the best pumpkin patch in all of Southern California. But this year it's going to be slimmed down quite a bit. So, but we're still going to have games for children, which take usually about one ticket, and every child wins a prize. If you do decide to come, make sure you have the kids wear costumes. There's some great opportunities for taking pictures, and let's not forget all those pumpkins that we have. And this year we still have our John Deere tractor ride that goes around the park. It's called the hay ride. That's a lot of fun for kids. For information, we don't have brochures on it, so for information you have to go to our website for the hours. IrvineParkRailroad.com. Starts October 1st. Well, if this is your first time to Irvine Regional Park or the train ride, welcome. We have a lovely park. Our park started in 1897. That's when Mr. James Irvine II donated 160 acres. We now have 477 acres. We're almost 123 years old, and we are the oldest regional park in California. As you can see, there's our boathouse. They're having a lot of fun out on those paddle boats. You can rent those paddle boats along with various size boats. You've seen those single double surreys, hand bikes, chopper bikes, all kinds of bikes, all available behind the boathouse. The boathouse is the oldest building in the park. That was built 1914. I'm sure most of you know by now that the Orange County Zoo is open. It's been open for about 2 weeks, and it has kind of I guess the entrance is all new. I wish I could say the petting zoo is open, but they have not opened that one. But it's still only $2. You still have all the animals, and you know they miss us. We miss seeing people. These buildings are also very old. 1929 they were built. Did you know that lower building at one time was the very first, the one and only soda fountain ice cream parlor in all of Orange County? And of course there's a statue of Mr. James Irvine. You know, we call this his personal playground because he loved hunting here with his dogs, and that was when we had grizzly bears. This was his backyard. So now this is our oak grove. These trees are well over 500 years old. So I'm going to tell you a quick story here. The people of Anaheim are the ones who actually discovered this beautiful live close to oak and sycamore grove, which are the only native trees here. That was when there were hundreds of these trees. So they decided, what a great place to bring the family, beat the summer heat of Anaheim, go figure. So they loaded their wagons up with their families, their dance floors, their Oompa bands, and of course, their kegs of beer. This is a great place for bird watching. We often see red-tailed hawks, falcons, and that bird out there. And we also see golden eagles. Always look up when you walk through here. You know those birds of prey are up there looking for a cute little squirrel or a rabbit. You never know what you find if you look up. On your left is the most beautiful poison oak patch I bet you've ever seen. If you ever see those leaves of 3, boy, don't go anywhere near there. You'll be sorry. We can thank the Boy Scouts for planting that for us. And across the lake, behind that stone structure, you will find a 7-pound cannonball cannon. That cannon was built in 1853, named us in 1926, and it did serve in the Civil War at the port of Long Beach. You know, the children love looking at that cannon. I'm guessing because they've never seen a cannon before. So if you take the time to walk across that pretty little bridge, you will also be treated to a really good story written on a memorial back there. I wish I could say we have a lot of fish, but the heat of the summer, actually, they had to take the bass out, I understand. And I don't know how much trout is in there at this time. It's still kind of warm for trout. But either way, near the end of November, the county will stock us with trout, probably all the way through spring, I believe. And that's when I try my hand at fishing. Although I do have to say the children have a lot of fun catching crawdads and little catfish. They do. It's funny, I saw one young man just carrying it around, showing everybody the other day. Well, get ready, boys and girls. We're going through the tunnel. Over, which means please remain seated till the train comes to a complete stop. Thank you so much for coming out and joining us today. It really means a lot to us. We wish you a wonderful Sunday afternoon, and we hope to see you at our pumpkin patch. Remember, check out the website irvineparkrailroad.com for the hours of the pumpkin patch. And when we stop, we're going to exit to the right. Thank you. To the right.